Connor, are you eating your ball? Or is that a ball or an orange? Which one is it?
A ball.
It's a ball? I think it looks like an orange. Where's Nunu? Yes, Nunu's never far, right? Can you give Nunu a kiss? That's sweet. What about you're petting Nunu. So nice. That's really nice. That's a good Connor. Yeah, can you give Nunu a kiss? Oh. Yes, you're being so nice to Nunu. That's so nice. We got to remember that. Oh, nope. Not nice anymore. Where's your milk? Good job. And that's your orange. Yeah, it's an orange.
Up. Up.
Oh, it's a dead orange now. We've killed it. Hey, Connor, where's Echo? Good job. She's over there. Yeah, I saw a tail wagging a second ago. What about, where's the door? Where's the door? Yes, good job. That's the door. Connor, where's the light? Where's the light? There's one in there. Where's the other light? There's one right there. Yeah, that's a light. Connor, where's your nose? Good job. Don't pick it. Where's your ear? Oh, you are so smart. Where's your mouth? In there. Yeah, where's Connor's teeth? Let me see. Or his tongue. Where's Connor's tongue? Let me see his tongue. I know, I make you do all these tricks. Can you wash your hands? Show how you wash your hands. Good job. And what else did we learn this week? Can you say turtle? There's not any on this outfit, on your outfit. Yesterday we had turtles. These are just stripes. Where's the clock, Connor? No, it's not in there. Yes, you are so smart. And there's, what is it? Can you say clock? And then the last one, you got to say choo-choo train.
No.
No. That is such a fake cry. Can you say I love you? I know, you're drinking your milk now. The only time we ever tape you is when you're sitting in here. Thank you for that, Connor. Hey, Connor. I love you. Can you say more? Good job. Say please. Yeah, good job.
Mama.
Oh, brother. You're saying milk? Can you say milk? Say milk. That's with both hands. That's serious. Oh, be nice to Mr. Bunny. We have to be nice. Mr. Bunny's our friend, even though Mr. Bunny is apparently going to eat some cantaloupe. Yes, give Mr. Bunny some kisses. Say I love you. Okay. Now you're spaced out. Connor, I love you. I love you. You love Mr. Bunny, don't you? Yes.